Let's go back.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I decided to make my own loaded hash browns to save money, because me and my husband, we always go to the Waffle House and we pay like almost $5 for the hash browns because we get so many ingredients in it. So right here I'm showing y'all our ingredients. We're gonna do bell pepper, onions, tomatoes, cheese, and ham, and sometimes I do jalapeno peppers on mine. And there's the hash brown. So we saved probably $5 doing it ourselves. So I'm just gonna get started. So I'm just letting the grease heat up. I got this large bag of shredded hash browns from Walmart. I think it was like maybe $2, no more than $3, I know. So I'm gonna make enough hash brown for me and my husband. So we normally would, like I said earlier, we would go to the Waffle House and pay like $5 for each order. But I decided to save some money. Remember, my channel is about saving money, and cook it myself. Now that I'm looking at this video, I realize I got an under cabinet light in my kitchen. I'm gonna pause this video and go see if it still works. But I'm gonna add the ingredients right here: my bell peppers, onions, and tomatoes. And the next time I cook this, I'm gonna get the smaller diced ham. These chunks are just too big. I could have cut them up, but I was being lazy this morning. So I'm just gonna let this cook and I'll be back. I'm finna go check and see if this under cabinet light is working.